Hello everyone, my name is Rahul. In this video, we will learn that how to add a form in the Shopify website. To add a form in the Shopify website, you have to go to the apps. Click on visit the Shopify App Store and so you can search here forms. So this page will show all the forms that are available in the Shopify website. Some are paid, some are free. So you can install this app form builder contact form. So if you want to add this app in your Shopify website, then click here. Then it will ask you to install the app. So I am using the free plan here. So this is the app only dashboard. So you can create the new form from here, and here you can select all the forms that you want. Suppose the registration form, contact floating contact form. Okay, so I will create this form. So this like it has created this form. If you want to add any element, you can click here, add element. Suppose if you want to add the phone number, you can add here. You can drag it above the message. You can define the label and placeholder here, and if you want to like the required the field, you can check this, and also you can select the column width from here. Suppose if you want to add some other field like date time picker, in this I only want the date. This is not required. Then I will save the form. If you want to add any elements, other elements, you can add it by here, from here. So if you want to integrate with the theme, you can integrate it. So I'm using the W theme. So if you want to add this form to the website, so suppose if you want to add this form on the front page, so there are like two ways. You can add the shortcode, or you can add this form. Select, this will show the form. So we have only one form, so it is showing only one form. Save. Like this form is coming on the website. And if you want to add like using the shortcode, you can also add here. Don't want the image here, you only want the custom HTML. So you can define the code here. Container should be 100. Click on save. See, two forms are coming here. Okay, one is like we have added using the shortcode. Another is like we have added from the form, this form. Suppose we submit this form. So this is the message it is showing after submitting the form. So in this you can visit the submissions also. So in the submission you can see how many people have filled the forms. Okay, so if you want to export this data, you can export this data also. And you can, from here you can set all these things, the from which user you have to send the mail, and what is the template, autoresponder, Google reCAPTCHA also, integration with the MailChimp. Okay, so you can do all these things from here. So in the settings also, like if you want to add the Google reCAPTCHA, so you if you want to add, if you have to add the site key and the secret key and the MailChimp API key. Okay, so you can integrate with the the MailChimp also, and you can also add the Google reCAPTCHA. So it is like a very good form. I am using it with many websites, so it is very good form. So you can definitely use it with your websites. So if you want to add a new form to the website, so go here, forms, create a new form. So this time I will create a Shopify registration form, create a form. So this will create a form for us. If you want to change in the header, here. So I have saved the form. If you want to use this form, then you have to upgrade to the plan. So but it's so easy to create a form in this website using this app. So there are many forms app. Just search here forms, and then there are many apps you can add in the Shopify. So you can also use this. So this according to the requirement you can use any forms app you want to use. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.